Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. And in this CADPower video, I'm going to talk about some of the new features we have added in the BOM-Q quantity takeoff tools in CADPower. So first, let us see what are the general changes in the interface. So if you go to the BOM tool, you will find that the earlier version had all the options arranged as radio buttons. We have collapsed them all into this pull down menu. So it's easier to use now and also occupies less space. We have also added a new option here called dynamic blocks and significantly improved other options like import table and so on. So let us look at the dynamic blocks option today. So in this drawing, if you see, I have a dynamic block which is called table rectangular, and if you click on this, I have defined several visibility states like chairs all sides, chair no chairs at ends, left side chairs, right side chairs, and so on. So this workflow will help you to get a count of the different visibility states of the dynamic blocks. Right now I'm showing this in BricsCAD, but it works identically in AutoCAD as well. And as you know, in BricsCAD you cannot create the dynamic blocks, so you need to use them from a previous definition from AutoCAD. So we choose dynamic blocks as the workflow, we choose table rectangular as the block, and this is another new addition, table type. You can create a text table or a table object. So I'm going to choose this. Select OK. So now select blocks named table rectangular. I'm going to select all of them. Pick insertion point of table. So I'm going to click this point. Do you want to scale? I say yes and enter a scale factor of 5. So I have my dynamic block visibility states table. So you can see that the visibility attributes are listed here and the quantity is listed here. Unit cost and total cost are for now set as 0, but you can change them whatever you want and get a cost estimate as well. Now this is a table created with the default style, so you can set your table style how you want it and have the table appear in exactly the same way you like. So this is one new workflow that we added in CADPower version 17.14. The other workflow that we have added or improved is import table only. So if you choose this option, you can import a CSV file and create a table inside BricsCAD. So you need to choose the import file. So I'm going to select plcords.csv as my import file. This is a simple CSV file. Any CSV file will do. You don't have to worry about the number of columns and number of rows. They will all automatically get adjusted. We again set the table type as table object. Click OK. And I'm going to keep the old table and create the new one here. Now depending on the size of the file, it can take a little time. You need to be a little patient. So it's done. So you can see that the CSV file has been imported quickly into BricsCAD as a table. Once again, it uses the default table style. So you can set the table style how you like it before you start. Let me show you that CSV file here in Excel. So this is how it looks in Excel. It's a simple CSV file created by one of the CADPower tools, and right now you see it imported into BricsCAD. This works identically in AutoCAD as well. So these are the two new workflows we have added in the BOM tool. There are a couple of other minor improvements. For example, if I open another sample drawing called elevator and I go back to the BOM-Q tools. So this workflow is multiple blocks by name, which is a block count. So I come to edit, I come to block names, edit, and you can see that there is a replace option here. So in your current selection from the INI file in the BOM tool, you can quickly search and replace for strings. So if you need to replace, let us say, all door blocks with window blocks, now it's much easier than before. So this is another small improvement we have made in the INI editor, and it helps a lot while managing your BOQ. So I hope you like these enhancements. I look forward to hearing from you, and do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.